Yes, my people, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. I don't think Jamaica can get any worse than this. And if the gunmen them not killing innocent people, why the people who are going to all these party and dances, they have some new kind of dance. I don't know what is this, but it's a form of schizophrenic behavior. You understand? Anyway, before I elaborate, I just want you to watch this video, and I want you young people who live in Jamaica who subscribe to the new Jamaica culture, because this is not a culture, this is just madness. Just explain to me what is happening, because I am considered a old man, you know, old-fashioned person who was raised with good values and stuff like that. So explain to me what is happening, please.
Right now, I am buy some buttermilk. Straight to the blood
I remember growing up in the 70s and 80s in Jamaica, in the 90s too. And this kind of behavior that you're seeing, that these people, they would say it's dancing. Just like what the selector is saying, you know. In America, they'll say DJ, saying madness, and the people, them having, having the time of their life. This is schizophrenic behavior, you know. So you know that schizophrenia is a serious mental disorder, you know, in which people interpret reality abnormally. Schizophrenia may result in some combination of hallucinations, delusions, and extremely disordered thinking and behavior that impairs daily function and can be disabling. People with schizophrenia require lifelong treatment, you know. So the Jamaican people right now, you know, the Jamaican culture, as you can see, you know, the police officers are burying the Jamaican culture, you know, because it's gone. This is not a culture, you know. This is madness, as the DJ say, and the select, in Jamaica they call them selector. What is happening in Jamaica? What is there something in the air, something that these people eating, or what? Why are our people getting so crazy there? Why the culture is gone? We don't have any culture anymore. You know, I saw a video yesterday where a woman with a man that seemed like he has some mental disorder, having sex and people videotaping her and the man and in public, and it's like nothing. You understand what I'm saying? It's an offense enough for a person to expose himself in a public place, and it's like nothing on the woman. And I'm telling you, the people in Jamaica is being desensitized, and I'm telling you, their behavior, it's schizophrenic. Maybe some of you young people can't tell me what is happening, but I would say RIP to the Jamaican culture. Yes, man, thanks for watching the Jamaica Young Police channel. Most of our coverage is about crime, but the culture is a part of the crime too, and this is a part of the new culture. I don't know what is it. I don't identify it as a part of the Jamaica way of life. Thanks for watching. Have yourself a blessed day. Welcome to the madness 2022 and beyond. Because instead of things getting better, it's getting worse.